to our boat, Winter Spring number 2. Don't forget the name of our boat because in the island, a lot of boats like the same size, same color, but different name. Okay? And the name of our boat, Winter Spring number 2, because in El Nido, there's a lot of Winter Spring again. 1, 2, 3, up to 300. Okay? Yes! Alright, so ma'am and sir, I give you background about El Nido. El Nido based on northern part of Palawan, 270 kilometers from Puerto Princesa. Then also, El Nido have 18 barangays, 45 island and islets, 35 is the rocks. Sorry, I'm just kidding. 35 is shoreline, but the other is rocks. Okay? El Nido is, we have 810 different kind of fishes, 420 different kind of corals, and 5 different kind of marine sea turtle. That's why here in El Nido, we have a rule setting regulations we need to follow. Okay, for the first one, if you are a good swimmer or not good swimmer, so always wear your life jacket until the navigation of our boat because your safety is my always first priority. Okay, for the second one, if you time to snorkeling area, don't step on the corals or don't go in the shallow water because sometimes we have a dangerous organism living like stonefish, sea urchin, stingray, and crown of thorns. Okay? And for the third one, fish feeding is not allowed also in the island. For the fourth one, if you have a trash, plastic bottle, transparent plastic, or any kind of plastic, don't throw in the sea or in the island. Already here in the boat, under in your chair, or at the back, I have a trash can already. Okay? For the last one, but not the least, if you're a single, don't collect any marine life here in El Nido, dead or alive. Example, seashells, corals, or broken limestone. For the take a souvenir, take me a souvenir. I'm a good gardener. Alright, thank you so much once again. So ma'am and sir, the answer today is Tor C. Tor C, all of you, Tor C is going to Tor A. The have time going back in the shoreline. Tor C composed 5 or 6 destinations, depends on the situation. I give you one more destination, additional. Okay? So for the first one, Helicopter Island is an island. Because the shape of the island is like a chopper. Chopper, but you didn't have propeller. Yes, of course. The second one, Hidden Beach. Hidden Beach is a highlight part